Okay, we're going to be changing the hub material on a Yamaha prop. This is the part number. Dampener rubber. Looks like these small fingers have a notch in them. And they're going to go inside of here. And I need to get this hub out of here. I'm going to go get a socket. Okay, we're going to change the hub, so we need to put a little bit of oil right in here. We get our just a socket, put it right there, same size as that hub. Push down, boom, there it is. So there's the empty hub. Here's the hub piece, and here's some of the chewed up fingers. I have no idea how long these things last. It doesn't look very long. You can see where they sit in there. Okay, there's the damaged ones. These are the good ones. And of course, again, that part number. And what we're going to do is put them right into here, right between here and here. And they'll slide down, then they'll rest at the bottom here. The trick is to make sure this notch is up, because this is how they're going to sit on this hub inside that prop. And supposedly that's supposed to hold up. I'm here to tell you it doesn't, but we're going to get it down inside there. We're going to oil it up a little good right in there, and then we're going to slip it down on there. Okay, there's one down in there. I'm going to slide this other one right in here, put the notch up. We'll put this other one in here. With the notch up. So that's how they sit inside there. Okay, so they're sitting inside there, basically. And we're going to take these notches, slide it in there. She just fell in. And it went right in. And there's the other end of the hub. I don't know if it's going to damage anything, but I think I'm going to take a few of these fingers and pack it around into here. But I don't know. We'll see. But that's how it comes from the factory. Tight enough. But of course, I land on the sand, so this is what becomes of those chintzy little fingers. They were only $5 at the Yamaha dealer, but you can see what happens to them. And I probably got 100 landings on them. I hope that helps somebody that has encountered these little rubber fingers, and this thing will be starting to move around when it breaks up. Right there, it's pretty tight. But that's how you do it. Enjoy, guys.